Unlock incredible savings on your next Target run by mastering how to use their in-app digital coupons right at the checkout. First things first, open up your Target app. You'll want to navigate to the Target Circle section, usually found on the main navigation bar at the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your app version. Here, you'll see a treasure trove of digital coupons. Browse through the available offers, and when you find a discount you want to use, simply tap the Clip Coupon button. It's that easy to add it to your Target Circle wallet. Once clipped, these coupons are saved to your account, ready and waiting for your in-store purchase. Now, let's talk about redemption at the register. You have a couple of straightforward options. The simplest method is to have the cashier scan your unique Target Circle barcode directly from your phone. You can usually find this by tapping on the barcode icon within the Target Circle section of the app. All your clip coupons will automatically apply to eligible items in your card. For some coupons, especially those specific to a single item, there might be a dedicated barcode displayed on the coupon itself. In this case, you can present this specific coupon barcode to the cashier for them to scan. And just like that, watch your total drop. Using Target app coupons is a fantastic way to stretch your budget and get more for your money. So before your next Target trip, take a few minutes to clip those digital coupons and enjoy the savings.